Hey there everyone, Hitesh here and welcome to another random Saturday Live. I used to go Saturday Live, but now it's almost random. I need to set up the lights correctly. Yeah, looks like much better than... There we go. Decent, decent. Yeah, not amazing, but lighting is... We need to fix lightings here. But it's all good. As of now, I hope the audio is pretty awesome. Soon we're gonna fix up the lighting. Lighting part is much more easier. So let me just say to hello a lot of you guys. Hey Bharat Gupta, hey Kumar, Vasant, hey Sagar, Nikhil, hello Nikhil, hi Ankit, and Abhishek, Arya, Muhammad, Mujtab. Hey guys, how are you? How is it going on? All the best for coding challenges idea. Yeah, I think it's going to be pretty successful. I'm pretty sure about it because who don't like these kinds of challenges, which involves money as well. So it's going to be pretty awesome. So hello, buddy. Hello, Ashikur Rahman. That's a nice name, by the way. Hey, Everest Academy. How's it going on for you? Wasn't Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. I almost forgot to say Happy New Year, all of you. In fact, I said it in a couple of videos as well. So, yeah, we are quite into the new year now, and it has got started pretty good. I'm all pumped up because the schedule is pretty booked. It's already packed. People are even booking up my dates for. One of the guys tried to book my date for June as well. Um, so yeah, what's with the glasses? These glasses actually protect my eyes from the harmful rays from these screen because I spend a lot of time on the screen. So that's why it goes. Can you show us your room? My room is actually still under construction. There are a few things that need to go up. I've already shown you this side of the thing is all about my toys. I love them. I have got the new one, which is Deadpool. I hope you can see that. That's our Deadpool guy, new member in the family. Pretty cute, pretty cute. I have got a whole lot of toys here. I call them toys rack. The bottom side is my camera gear. I use a lot of cameras and a lot of mics. That's what goes there. Behind me is my tripod, and this wall is my favorite one. And this wall in front of me needs to be done with a few things. I have bought a few paintings from Cambodia, so hopefully I will be going with that. So and this side of the room is still like totally empty. Haven't done much of it. So that's a small too. It's not a big room. It's a small one. Hey Tesh bro, Sivaram here, back again with another Saturday Live. Hey Sivaram, back again with another Saturday Live. And yeah, I am back with another Saturday Live. So MacBook Air 2018 review from programmer perspective. Hey buddies, let's just confess this. I'm a big fan of Apple products. I hate iPhone, by the way. They are doing absolutely like ridiculous thing with the iPhones. But as come to the programming part of perspective, I love these because I don't have to mess around with updates, slow things, and MacBooks are costly, but they work. And I'm at a position right now where I want things to be work. I cannot wait for these things. My time is most valuable and is becoming much more valuable as we go forward. And there's a super chat by Rishabh Halmare. Hey, big shout out to you. Is there any scope of Java full stack developer? Yes, of course, my dear friend. There is a scope of anything and everything. And in fact, if you're talking about Java full stack developer, you have got ton of scope. And but it depends heavily on what domain you want to go and pursue further. Obviously, if you are into the Android world, make sure you go pretty deep into that because competition is getting very tight in the Android world. And if you go into something like Spring, Maven, and all these stuffs, competition is just decent. But if you talk about India, everybody learns Android, almost of Java, almost everybody. So show up your A game there, and it's not going to be easy, but surely hundreds and hundreds of scope is there. Can you make a video on integration of payment with Android app? Okay. The problem with these payment, I wanted to show that, but you have to bring up a sandbox. I can show it on your Stripe. That would be easier, but I guess most of the people in India want to have a payment integration set up on Paytm, Razorpay, InstaMojo, or anything services like that. Probably I will do that. And just this reminds me again, now we support UPI payment in the Learn Code online app, so you can pay through Paytm, Pay, PhonePe, What else? Google Pay. You can also use Amazon wallets. It's pretty vast now. And we are almost there in pushing up another update on the Learn Code Online app. So in case you haven't downloaded the app and showed some love to the Learn Code Online app, please do so. And in case all those who are not aware of that, visit learncodeonline.in. What are you waiting for? Let's pick up. Muhammad Islam says, I like you, brother. I like you too, brother. I like you too. Eviz kya hai? Stay away from Eviz. I should not say much about Eviz because it can create a whole lot of drama. And I have left this kind of drama to all those other YouTubers. I am here just to make friends, and that's all I'm worried about. I don't want any drama here, but again, anything that can make you super rich overnight, that's probably not good. That's probably not good. To become rich, to become anything at all, you need to work hard. That's the only way. Muhammad Bujtab says, I love your jacket. Hey, thank you so much. Do you remember? It also supports my theme, which is gray. I hope many of you know by the time now. Shout out my name. Hey, Sridhar R. I'm shouting out your name. So, hey, buddy, how's it going on? Okay. Which company of laptop is good? Actually, we use mostly in my this particular studio we use only Apple laptops, so that's the one we are using. But I have found out recently that Asus is making pretty good laptops. So I'm not associated with them, but I would still say that Asus is making pretty good laptop. SK, thanks for the $1 shout out here. Thank you so much there. But yes, Asus is making pretty decent laptops, pretty affordable actually, pretty affordable. Okay, please talk with Red Hat. I don't have a Red Hat, but in case you're talking about the Linux of the Red Hat, that's actually a pretty good and very stable Linux product. I, in fact, recommend a lot of people try to give it a shot to Fedora as well. It's pretty good and fun to use. In fact, it's much better than Ubuntu, honestly. Everest Academy, hey, big shout out to Everest Academy for sponsoring Super Chat there. So, Everest Academy. I hope you are some kind of academy for in Nepal or something. Let me know. I would be interested in doing a camping or something in case you are there. I'm pretty adventurous kind of a person. Okay. Yeah, we are doing stuff here. Hot water, from iced tea to hot water, where we are, guys. Okay, what about your TED Talk? I am actually going to one of the TED Talk. I've been invited like three of them, three or four maybe. But due to the time schedule, I'm not able to go in some of them. But yes, I'm going to one. Hopefully, very soon I'll get my tickets and I'll announce that. But yeah, maybe I'm coming to Gujarat. Maybe we can have a meetup, small meetup there, because another YouTuber is also coming there. I hope many of you know him. He's a good friend of mine, Naveen Reddy. I hope you know about him. We both are meeting up, coming up to Gujarat, and we are planning some trips. I invited him. Actually, I forced him that, hey, come on, let's do a trip. So we will be there. No, not in Ahmedabad, but in Vadodara. So we're going to be both there. Naveen Reddy, yes, he's also going to TED Talk, and we will be there both. So hopefully we'll be making a live or something from there. But definitely we are going for a trip. I'm taking him. I'm forcing him to come. So what video editing software do you use? Thank you, SK, for another super chat. I mainly use Final Cut Pro. That's my handy software. In fact, I use it all the time, and that's my pickup gun always. I love it. I love it. I'm super comfortable with it. And the best reason to use it's super fast, ridiculously fast. My brother actually uses Adobe Premiere Pro because we do have a full-fledged license of Adobe as well. He uses Adobe Premiere Pro, and it's so lazy. It takes so much time in rendering the videos. While on the other hand, I just render the video like ridiculously fast rate. Like I can render like 2 or sometimes 3 videos by the time he renders just one video. So I use a Final Cut Pro here. Sir, from where do you purchase your glasses UV protection? Yes, these are UV protected glasses. and I purchased them from a local shop. Uh, I don't remember exactly the company name. If I'll remember, I'll post that on Instagram. In case you haven't joined me up on Instagram, it's Hitesh0141. I will just go there. Open your door. I'm standing just outside your office. Hi, buddy. I guess nobody will be there at the office at this time, but we are at our studio. Office and studio are completely different, like far, far away. Create video series overview of AWS and GCP. Not on AWS, but I might be planning one on Docker once we finish up with this MongoDB. All the MongoDB is going to go for a really, really long time. I want to take it in pure depth as well as some of the testing frameworks like Mocha. So it's gonna be fun. Yeah, Naveen is coming. Naveen, I know Naveen. We chat all the time on WhatsApp. So he's a good friend of mine, fellow programmer. I like him. I like that guy. We chit chat a lot. He's the only friend I made from the YouTube, and I'm so happy that I made at least one friend on YouTube. So yeah, we both are trying to teach something, doing something good for the country. Yeah. So yeah. Where do you work? I work from home. I work from home. I work for a company, Learn Code Online. I sometimes take other projects as well. Recently, I've offered a couple of projects from Singapore as well. So maybe I'll visit Singapore. Okay. Um, love you, brother. Have fun. I love you too, brother. So let's pick up. Visit NIT Raipur. I haven't been invited to NIT Raipur, although I have been invited to BITS Pilani. So maybe we will be going up there. A couple of invitation from very east side. So hopefully we'll be in the east as well. So yeah, please make a freelancing course on LCO. Maybe we'll do that. Collab with Clever Programmer. Actually, I do have an email already in my inbox from the Clever Programmer team. They asked me to do a collab or maybe a sponsored video. I just wanted to go with that. Karthik Kumar just bought your Python course. Hey, thank you so much. Hope you're enjoying these super affordable courses. So yeah, it's fun. So yes, I have received a couple of emails from Clever Programmer team, and actually I was on the trip at that time, so I was not able to properly reply to a lot of people. Maybe I will initiate that chat again, and probably we'll have a chit chat again. I will have a collab or something, but as of now, my primary focus is on just videos, and especially on Mongo series. Just like this JavaScript series is absolutely super hit, some of the best watched video on the internet. I want to put up a MongoDB series, so that's my focus. Whether that's a mean stack, one stack. Yes, there are some videos like 5 or 10 videos showing basic CRUD operation. I don't want to do that. I want to take it absolutely in depth. I want to just say I have nailed it down. I have crushed it. That's the way I want to talk about it. So is it good to do job after BCA or pursue MCA? Both are fine. There is no such hurry in doing job or no such hurry in pursuing further education. Wherever you're getting more scope. So these glasses looks great. Hey, thank you so much. These are protective. Nice one. Okay. Hitesh bro, do you have any plan to come Chennai in near future? Yes, there is one invitation from Chennai. Actually, whenever there is an invitation from Chennai, I usually don't say no. There's always a yes from my side to the Chennai. I don't know what's there in the Chennai. I just happen to love that place. No, I'm not going to be living up there, but definitely I somehow love that place. So yeah. Love from your offline bootcamp, sir. There is no place like LCO for passionate coders. Hey, Supreme, I have just saved your email as well. And thank you so much for Super Chat. I hope you have received the course in your account as well. Maybe we'll catch up on Monday or Tuesday because, by the way, we are bringing up some gifts for the offline students as well. More T-shirts are coming up. Some stickers are coming up. And for stickers, you can pick up how many you like. We don't have any barrier. You can pick just one. How many you like. We are bringing up more stuff, and I want to say in front of all of you that our offline students are, in fact, to be honest, one of the best batch we have ever got. They are absolutely passionate. They are just crushing it with Python, building so many amazing stuff. They have built up their own kind of encryption software, kind of a ransomware. They have built up email bombarding script they have made, a WhatsApp bombarding script using Selenium. They're just crushing it. I'm really happy that they are using our resources all day long. So yeah, create a UI like Code Academy for LCO. Maybe. One thing is sure, you're gonna love the upcoming update on the LCO app. So yeah, how can we join your offline bootcamp? Hey Webo, I guess we are still like 50% seats are remaining in the next bootcamp, which will happen in January. So you might want to check out learncodeonline.in. All the details are available there. I guess like 5 or 6 seats. The issue with our bootcamp is we don't take like n number of students. No, that's not what we like. We like to train like 5 or 10 students or 20 students. That's it. At a max 15 students, and we like to train them as hard as possible, push them beyond limit, so that they get inspired. They create something amazing, and that's what we like to do. And that's why our bootcamp usually fill up absolutely quickly. So please make video on Chrome plugin development. Hey Yash, I watch all of your comments actually, by the way. And again, yes, Chrome plugins, we'll do that. But first, let's just focus on MongoDB. We are going to just crush it down. When new update of LCO app is coming? To be honest, it was planned to be launched in the month of December itself, but there were some issues in the production, and we had to stop that. Now, hopefully, the team is actually ready. The support is all ready with all the stuff. We are looking forward for some final testing, and the date that I have got right now is before the Feb. Anyhow, we will be launching that new version of the app, and it's going to be no less than any other app in the market. Even you might have heard about the Byju's app and all of that. It's going to be no less than that. So yeah. Yeah, I'm making big promises, but yes, it is worth that. Do you have team, sir? Yes, of course, I do have team now, but my team don't touch anything on my video production or the course. In fact, they also don't know what kind of course is going to be coming up next. I keep that completely in my studio itself. One team manages the entire workflow of the Learn Code Online working. Another team manages the entire bootcamp stuff and all of that. And a small team is there to manage some stuff like t-shirts, printing, offline seminars, boot camps, and all these stuff. So yeah, we are growing at a fast pace, and it's all going good. Okay. Why don't you do a quiff or pompadour? What is that? Spiky with your hairs. I don't know. I don't care much about my hairs. They are just like that. I don't really care about my hairs at all. Shonsa, thank you so much for super chat. And about my hairs, I have never given a thought about them. I just want them to be short. They should not be hanging around my eyes while I'm coding on anything. I just say my barber, hey, cut them short. That's it. Do whatever you like. I don't care. Yeah. Okay. Seen my counting video on YouTube? Looks like I missed that. Okay, what is your experience with Lenovo IdeaPad 320? It is good. In case you remember, we do have one at our office. It is a pretty good laptop, pretty fast. So all good experience, nothing wrong with that. In fact, I still do make some videos, like installation videos on Windows actually are usually on that laptop. Come to live on Instagram. Hey, I'm actually having super fun on Instagram. In case you haven't noticed, I sometimes do absolutely fun and crazy stuff on Instagram. I love that platform. I love that. So yeah, how much do you earn? That's a tricky question. Enough to live a happy life. That would be my answer. I know some people like to disclose their income. Hey, I'm earning like 5 crores. I'm earning like 10 crores. I'm earning 1 crores. I don't like to do that. I think that's like too much bragging for the stuff, but I do earn enough. I'm happy with it. Okay. Anytime soon, LearnCode Online willing to teach blockchain. Not soon. Not exactly blockchain, but yeah, we may go up into Ethereum and stuff. We would love to do that, but not directly focused on blockchain. But like not in the near future. After Mongo series, please Docker series. Yes, already we are working on Docker. It was a nightmare for us at the starting. Because actually in the Docker, when students are not able to do exactly what they are supposed to do, then it's a nightmare. And we faced that nightmare when I was teaching the C++ class. So yeah, definitely a Docker series is must have there. Okay. What if I do not get good technology in Wipro training? Then you're on your own. So, Nusha, I want to become an Android developer, sir. Can you please tell me? I'm from Assam. Hey, you're from a lovely place. I have been to Assam. One place, and just a side note, I love that place. I was at Tejpur in Assam. It's a pretty nice place. I love that. Now, coming on to your point, if you want to become an Android developer, there's just one stop solution. Take my Android P course. It's just 7.99, and you will learn to make 26 app. Support is there too. We have hired a dedicated person who is going to help you in case you are stuck anywhere. So I think that's like ultimate plan. Take my Java bootcamp in case you are not aware of Java, and then you can go to Android P course. That's it. And after that, you will be ready for your own. How is Cambodia trip? Somebody asked about my trip. I love that. I love that. Hey, who's uh, a a Grotham? So yeah, a Gotham. Okay, sorry. Okay, Cambodia trip was okay. I would say uh, I would say that Vietnam was much better as compared to Cambodia. I would not be going Cambodia back again. Not like it was bad, it was okay. Probably I'll go for just for Angkor Wat again to explore it much further. I just had one day which was not at all enough for exploring that big, gigantic temple. But for Vietnam, I'm all open. I would go to that country again, especially for one big reason. Internet is absolutely fast there. You can shotgun, you can have your experience with guns and all of that. So yeah. What things I need to study for advanced web development? Uh, what do you call advanced? Maybe React, maybe Angular, maybe Node, Mongo. What do you call advanced? It depends on you. Obviously, everything starts from scratch, whether that's an advanced. If you know how to make basic templates or websites and stuff, then obviously the next step should be either learn Vue or React. That should be the front end part. In the back end, you have multiple options. You can go for Django, you can go for Node. I would say Node is much more easier to go for the back end part. Both courses are available at LearnCore Online at pretty affordable rates, so you can pick any of them. I would recommend to start. Sir, did you visit Tejpur University in Assam? Yes, actually, I was there for a 2-day workshop in Tejpur University, and I absolutely loved the audience there. Pretty amazing, very cheerful. And in the evening time, I did played football with the college student. I had absolutely no idea how to play football. Just for 15, 20 minutes, I played football. Then I had a game of basketball, actually full-fledged game of basketball. Loved that. On the next day, I enjoyed the performance of some bands. So yeah, completed your front-end course. Next, what next? Hey Ashish, I would highly recommend you to go for React course because React is nowadays kind of an essential part of front-end technology. So go for that. It is absolutely amazing. And I think it's the best step. After React, you can go for Node also. So first thing first, let's just not get too much into depth. Go for React. Okay. Android or iOS development, I like both, web or web. In case you are that much worried about these things, why not to go for React and React Native? Like, obviously, having native knowledge of Android and iOS is far more still valuable. But I would say that, yeah. Hi, Shivanil, how's it? Any plan for, where is that? Shivanil, there we go. Any plan for NullCon 2019? No. Uh, no any plans for NullCon because I'm not into the security conferences as of now. I will be coming up for a couple of Python conferences, maybe. But yeah, no, not anything for security conference. Maybe I'll attend that as attendee. We'll chill out in the poolside or something. But no plans for NullCon as of now. Some of the Python conferences I have invitation and probably I'll see there. How do you get Ignis Technologies client? All of the Ignis Technologies client are from, hey, Shiva Batra. Thank you so much for super chat. So all of the Ignis Technologies client are Canada based, actually, not US based. We get most of the clients from Canada. We had a couple of tie-ups for the Ignis Technologies uh, for marketing stuff, for web development stuff, and we are building a couple of products in that. We have a separate team that works all the time for that. We don't disturb that team because it's kind of a they have hired people through us and they are just sitting and doing their work, and we're getting pretty good profit from them. So we don't want to touch that. Yeah. Sir, will you be giving full tutorial of MongoDB or any part of MongoDB? It is, as of now, it is planned for full. Let's see how things goes on. But as of now, I'm full determined to just crush it down on YouTube with the MongoDB. I want to create such tutorials that it doesn't exist on YouTube. That's the plan as of now. And so far, series is pretty rock solid. But tomorrow is not going to be any video. Sundays are off. I have taken off on Sundays because I have to prepare other courses, other material. Today also there was a lot of hiccups in the videos. I had to re-edit a couple of videos, re-recorded them, and then sent it to the clients. So tomorrow I will be working just on the code part, no recording of videos, just pure work, nothing else. Any course on LCO on advanced Java? Not yet. Okay. Hey, rich guy, I know what you want to ask. I'm going to skip your question. Don't want to get personal on YouTube. Okay, so yeah. Want to come to Jaipur just to meet you? Hey, if you want to come to Jaipur to meet me, hey, please let me know in advance, very, very advance, because some people came to office to meet me. I was not present at office. Things are getting super busy right now. So please, I apologize for that. Yeah. Internship opportunities at LearnCode Online. We are making our internship opportunities extremely hard now because we have just faced a 30,000 loss with an intern, recent one, and that's not acceptable. Like 30,000 is a big number, and we have just beared that kind of loss with an intern. I don't want to do that again. So yeah, just don't want to do that anymore. I want to just now take interviews and all that. Interns usually think that they are going to learn here. That's not the case. If you want to learn, join our boot camp, join our trainings. If you want to be an intern, what I expect from an intern is he's already onto technologies. He has made some couple of projects. Now he wants an industry exposure. He wants to work on something with our app or maybe our code or something. And yeah, that's kind of yeah, that was 30K rupees, 30,000 rupees. So don't want to do that again. And now what we want to do is restrict those process of taking interns because I don't want anybody to misuse our resources. And since we are generous, we try to offer these things. Doesn't mean we are fool. We don't want to do that again. Definitely internship opportunities will be there, but don't want to do the mistake of like money things. Yeah. 30K is a lot. Yeah, it is a lot. It is a lot, but it's gone. What we can do now? Instead of just worrying about that, we can focus on the future and can be a little bit more. There's an interesting question. How many total videos did you made up till now? I never counted actually. Once I counted the total number of courses that I've made so far, as you know, courses get deprecated. Some of them get private. Some of them are bought by universities or publishers. Once I counted like a couple of years ago, it was 52. But after that, I have created so many courses in this year as well, 2018, and so many videos on YouTube as well. Every course is having like almost 50, 60 videos. Some of them are having 100, 120 videos and 52 courses. So yeah, I have created many videos. YouTube also, I have created like around, I am not sure, but around 300, 400 videos on YouTube as well. I don't know exact. Roy says you have made 586 videos. 586 is a very low number. I guess 586 on YouTube. I think that is fair. I have made 586 on YouTube, probably. Reporting bad comments. Big thumbs up to Avinash Yadav. Please report all the bad comments, all the people who abuses and everything. Hey, if you like to abuse, just leave the chat. Who is forcing you to be here? So yeah, just let the people ask. 586 is a lot. Come on. Yeah, 586 is a lot, but I think I have made over 1,000 videos. I think so. Because a lot of courses have been deprecated. I have made like 3 or 4 versions of C programming course. One course was in C++. It is also deprecated now. And a couple of courses on Python. A couple of courses on security, which are private now. Prakash, super chat here. For backend, Java framework or Django is preferable. Um, by the term preferable, I'll replace that word preferable to easier. If that would be word easier, I would say Django is far more easier than Java. But I don't know what is preferable here. If it is you're already on Java and you want to use Java as a web services, then it's obviously Java. If you're looking for startup market and all these stuffs, of course, it's Django. So what does this preferable means here? When is MongoDB installation, sir? Hey, buddy, that's not Mango, that's Mongo. Mongo, not Mango. It's going to be coming up on Monday. First, the installation is going to be on Mac and then installation on Windows. That's how we are going to proceed. Actually, I have a list of videos that I have to make. So course is already planned up, what the videos will come out. The only thing is I have to record them. Okay, so sir, I want to buy an Android P machine learning apps, 26 projects in total, but the payment system is not working now. What can I do? Help, sir. Um, I don't know. Hey, Mr. Verghese, how's it going on? I guess you have dropped me an email, and I guess I have read that and I still missed that. Sorry for that. So in case you are worried about the payment system, and I guess all the payment system are working fine, make sure your email address and phone number is correct there. You can use even wallets as well, or UPI system is pretty rock solid, net banking. So yeah. Any marriage plans? No, not yet, not yet. So yeah, Mr. Verghese, I apologize. I might have skipped your email there because I was on a trip. So yeah. Sir, can you share your experience LCO offline setup? Um, it was tricky, I would say. Most of the offline setup was is still managed by Saksham. I don't do much of the offline stuff, but yes, I do visit everything. I manage all the curriculums. I manage each and every step of the students. I manage all of their progress. Instructor at our office reports every single day to me that what is the progress, how the students are doing, what problem they are facing, so that we can make our things better. Oh, there is a super chat by Sonu Shah. So I wanted to talk to you for your suggestions. Can you help me? I am very much interested in software development. What kind of software development? We all are talking here about softwares. They are made in Java, they are made in JavaScript, they are made in C++, in Ruby, Swift, Android. What kind of software development you're looking at? What is your specific goal? Whether you want to make an app, website, a web application, a service using website or mobile or iOS. What is you simply mean to say when you want to say software development? Everything is a software. Okay. Naveen, भाई mic कितने का खरीदा? It is expensive, Mike. It is expensive. It costed me around like $350 or $400 something. But yeah, you don't need to buy this much of expensive mic. The setup is already good with. Uh, are you wearing black? How? No, that's not black. That is still. It's always gray. Yeah, need some light. There we go. It's always gray. In fact, I don't have any t-shirt to wear, so that's why it's always gray. Okay. Collab with Saksham. We collab almost every day. It's not just, it doesn't go on YouTube. That's the thing. We collab every single day. Good quality of your mic, friend. Hey, thank you so much. I know. Thank you so much. With your feedback, I'm able to make good videos now. You see the circular one. Now I'm using the circular face cam. This was also a suggestion, a feedback from one of you guys. I'm super thankful for that. And also, this mic is based on your feedback, and I think it is pretty much amazing now. Okay, I'm out of town. How is the weather in Jaipur? Ridiculously cold. It's so cold that I need to use room heater. It is ridiculously cold. Okay, hey, coder guy. Hey. Hey, why are you skipping my question? Please respond to my question. I'm not skipping any question. There are just so many questions that are just keep on going. I'm just picking up wherever I can spot. My mic is also gray. It's more over black, but yeah, a little bit grayish tone, but more over black. I'm ready to crush MongoDB with you. Let's do it. Yeah, that's like the plan. Let's crush the MongoDB. Let's make a series which is absolutely amazing, the best series on the internet. That's what we want to do. How we can purchase the course? I'm from Nepal. You can purchase from. There are a variety of third-party websites that where are my courses. And just I wanted to mention this. Hey guys, you haven't hit that like button. Hitesh is on strike. You haven't hit that like button. Telesco is also live. Hey, hopefully Naveen is also live. Hey guys, you haven't hit that like button. I'm on a strike. I'm on a strike. You haven't hit that like button. Do you drink alcohol? No, I absolutely hate that. I absolutely hate alcohol. Okay, it's just going. Liked. Yeah, that's what we are talking about. Hey guys, hit that like button. So yeah, I just wanted to mention one more thing. Hey guys, listen carefully. Um, my job is to make videos, and I make videos like for variety of companies, variety of websites, third-party sellers, and all of that. The thing that I control is learncodeonline.in. This is where I can talk about in case your payment is not going throughly, or maybe your payment is gone and your course is not still in your account. Remember, I told you in one videos about authorized payment. I can deal up with that. In case you are facing some issues about video rendering or anything, we can work out on that for only learncodeonline.in. If you buy courses from here, that's only I can support. But since I do sell my courses on variety of marketplaces, third-party websites, some companies' internals as well, I don't control all of them. There are a few companies who purchase my courses, and when students join those companies, see their internal training and see my videos, they try to ask questions to me on email. That's not how thing works. Your company has hired other persons to reply you there. So please try to understand this. Also, there are a variety of marketplaces, depends on where you live, US side, Spain side, or maybe Australia side. I have my courses there too. I sell on a variety of platforms. So I don't control those platforms. I don't have control. They have a deal with me. I send them courses, they send me some money or based on how much we have. So that's how thing works. So I am only responsible for Learn Code Online. So I highly recommend to buy courses from here. But I know some of you are a fan of other websites as well. I don't want you to just bring on all of you on my website. I don't want to do that. All I'm saying is I control this thing. I'm responsible for this one. For all the other marketplace and websites from you purchase, they are responsible for that. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Okay. Wow, you're reaching to so many people. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I'm reaching to mainly in the US market. I have a pretty good hold. I have so many users there. I have a pretty good hold in Spain as well. A lot of English speakers like to buy my courses from Spain as well. And just decent, not really good, decent amount of hold in Australian continent as well. That is also pretty decent, but it's growing. And I don't know what they have done to their platform. Now they are penetrating into the market of Philippines as well. So yeah, I have got pretty good audience there. In fact, I have got still more audience into my registered accounts as compared to on YouTube. I don't know why is that, but yeah, what we can do. Okay, how to download Learn Code Online courses to view in offline? You can use Learn Code Online app and can download courses. Course on Vue.js, maybe. Why you and Naveen sir do a live chat at the same time? I don't know. It's fun actually. You can see me and Naveen both in like side by side. So yeah, let's just say I'll let Naveen to take over now. Probably we have already streamed like 40 minutes. So Naveen is live. Probably you can join him there or maybe any other. So collab with Naveen. Maybe we can do that in Vadodara. So yeah, so I think I should go now. Need to do some work as well. Need to render some videos for the clients. They're asking me, hey, Taish, when you're going to send me? And by the way, I'm collaborating with a couple of guys for Ask Me Anything on podcast as well. So maybe very soon you're going to see the podcasts on some of the coding platforms as well. They're pretty fun to do. Most of them are based on the United States and Europe, so timing is going to be absolutely awkward, probably midnight or something. Yes, I will be doing some podcasts. So bye bye for now. I hope you all are chilling out. Make sure you follow me on the Instagram as well, Hitesh0141, and follow me up on Mongo series. That's it. Bye bye, Yash. Bye bye, Zubair. Bye bye, Rajesh, Srinivas. Bye bye, guys. Chill out. And again, Hitesh0141 at Instagram. Catch you up there.